Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you 4 tips for a fast, good, inexpensive lunch. I'm here by myself today, so I'm going to fix up some Spam. Show you 4 different ways to do this. I think you're going to like this. I do. Alright, let's open up this can of Spam here. Right there. We'll get it out of there. We'll start cutting it up, show you how to do it. Okay, here's your first one. We're just going to take it right out of the can, cut us a couple of slices. Mustard, you can use mayonnaise, ketchup, or any combination thereof, whichever you want. I'm a mustard fan, so we'll just put a little mustard on here like so. Okay, take your slice, put it right there. Another slice right there. You can eat it like that, or if you know me, I like cheese. So we're going to put a slice of cheese on it. Put you a slice of cheese on there. There's your sandwich. Right there. Alright, we're ready for the first lunch. Alright, we're going to slice up the rest of these. Show you just how we do this here. Slice it whatever thickness you want. But we're going to fry the rest of these. I'm a big fan of fried. There we are. Alright, let's go over to the stove and fry some of these up. Okay, we're going to start frying these up now. See what we can do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is what we're going to need for what we're going to do. I'll show you how to do it now. You don't want your heat too high because you can burn these pretty quick.
Remember to keep your heat low so you don't burn them. Keep turning them over. Not always easy, but turn them over. Then you do both sides. You don't burn one side and then have to turn it over. All we're doing is browning both sides and warming up the middle, because they will get hot quick. Remember, keep turning them. See, they're beginning to brown. think we about got them ready. Yeah. I don't want to get them too dark on each side, so it's up to you. But they are hot, so be careful. Put them onto a paper towel or something. That way the grease that comes out of when you fry them will get off of them.
Alright, turn your stove off. Okay, here's our second lunch. Take a couple of these. Remember, they're hot. Woo! Put them over here. Slice of cheese. Some crackers. Right there. Ooh, that's good. You can eat them like this. You had your sandwich on the first one. This one's with crackers and cheese. Gotta have cheese on everything. So, okay, here's our third one. We're gonna make a sandwich with fried spam. Use mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, whatever you want, any combination thereof, like so. Put you a couple on here like this. One right there. Pick it up, it's kind of hot. One right there. Remember our cheese, got to have cheese on everything. So, open a piece of cheese. Put your piece of cheese right there on top. It should sort of melt a little bit. It's kind of hot, so right there. And there is your fried spam sandwich. Okay, here is your fourth one, fourth one. This one is with a flour tortilla. You could use corn if you'd rather. It's up to you. We're going to take these. Let me get my knife up here. What we're going to do is cut these up into smaller pieces here. Right there, right there, right there. Take your smaller pieces, put them on your tortilla. Remember, they're hot, so be careful. Woo! They are hot. I'm going to use 2. You don't have to use 2, it's up to you. Woo! Hot. Put them on here. They are hot. This is like a soft taco. Okay? Now I'll tell you what we're going to do. A little salsa. Remember, the hotness is up to you. I'm a mild fan. I like the taste instead of the heat. So let's put a little salsa on here. Like so. Woo. That looks good. Once again, cheese. I'm a big cheese fan. Now, if you don't have sandwich cheese, you can use grated cheese. It's up to you. Just put it on there like that. Now what we're going to do is fold this up, fold this over, fold this over. There's our soft taco. All right. I think that lunchtime, let's give it a bite, see how it is. Mmm, that is good. Fast and quick lunch. Very inexpensive too. Gotta have a napkin. That's good. Very good. Remember, we had these was in service. That spam came in sea rations. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. We got a lot more up here. Check on our playlist called Cooking. And if you can, please help support this channel. Everything helps. And we'll see you next time.